everyone, welcome to our channel. In point of view, we find this time to talk about Hindi movies releasing this week in theaters. Sunny Deol, Varun Dhawan's Project 2 to hit the big screen. Sunny Deol is returning with the most anticipated film of the year, Project 2. Here is all you need to know about Anurag Singh's upcoming war drama by Laveen Kaur, updated on 19 January 2026. 2026 started on an emotional and patriotic note with the release of Agastya Nanda's Ikis. Having said that, it's been a pretty packed month for sci-fi with multiple releases. We have officially stepped into the third week of January 2026, and if you are thinking what's in store for moviegoers, then you are in for a big surprise. The most awaited movie of the year, Border 2, will make its debut in cinemas. About Border 2, cast Sunny Deol, Varun Dhawan, Diljit Dosanjh, Ahan Shetty, Mona Singh, Sonam Badwa, Anaya Singh, Medha Rana. Director Anurag Singh, Channel Action Drama, runtime 200 minutes, release date and 23rd January 2026. After the massive success of J.P. Dudha's cult classic film Border, the audience has been waiting for the release of its sequel. Looking at the viewers' eagerness, producers T-Series Films and J.P. Films brought filmmaker Anurag Singh on Border to create Border 2 after teasing moviegoers with multiple engaging assets of the upcoming action. It's finally time for cinephiles to watch it in theaters. Coming Friday, 23rd January 2026, the movie will make a power-packed debut in cinemas, ready to make the audience emotional and proud of its countrymen. A sequel to the 1997 mega blockbuster Border 2 will take viewers back to the India-Pakistan War of 1971. Unlike the OG, this multi-front war drama will showcase the valor of the Indian Army, Indian Air Force, and Indian Navy personnel who fought the enemies at their respective fronts in combined operations. Sunny Deol will be leading the show and playing a character inspired by LP called Fateh Singh Kalar of the Indian Army. He is joined by Varun Dhawan, seen as Major Horshed Singh Dhaya, PVC. Actor singer Diljit Dosanjh will portray the role of FG Offer Nirmaljit Singh Sikho, PVC, and officer of the Indian Air Force. Joining them is Sonal Shetty's son, Ahan Shetty, who will be seen as LPCDR MS Rawat of the Indian Navy. If reports are to be believed, Sonal Shetty, Akshay Khanna, and Swadesh Berry will also make special appearances in the war drama. For more updates, stay tuned to Pink Villa. After 842 box office, Sunny Deol, Varun Dhawan, Diljit Dosanjh film opens advances in India with a bank sales 10K tickets in no time. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time.